So let's just talk about indexing in MongoDB. So indexing is essential for improving the performance of queries. So the indexes allows MongoDB to efficiently locate and retrieve documents from a collection. So here we have the student database. Inside the student database we have the details collection, which has 5 documents. So here we have the name of the student, age, grade, and the number of subjects. And also if you notice, we have this index. So currently we have the default ID index. So all the collection by default will have this ID index. And also we can add our own index, which will improve the performance of the queries. So let's just see how we can add our own indexes. So currently we have multiple databases, so let's just use the student database. Now to create the index, we have to write db dot and then the collection name, which is details dot, and then we have to use the method create index. Now inside the method we can specify the field where we wanted to create the index. So let's just create the index on the age field in ascending order. So the 1 means in ascending order, and also we can pass -1, which means in descending order, and let's just execute. So here we have created the index. So if we refresh, so you can see we have this new age index added, and also we can create multiple indexes. So we can create one index name in ascending order, and also we can create one index on the grade in ascending order. So let's just execute this. So here you can see we have this index name 1 grade 1, and also we can create text index on any field. So we can create the text index on the name field, so we have to write text. So the text index will enable the text search capabilities on the name field. So let's just execute this. So here we have the new index name text, and also we can create hashed index. So we can create one hashed index on the grade field, so we have to write grade hashed. So we have created the new index. So if we refresh, so we have this grade hash. And also we can create partial index. That means we can use some filters. So we can create one indexing on the subjects in ascending order, and now we can use one filter like partial filter expression. And here we can specify the filter. So the filter is subject physics. So this will create one index only for the documents where we have the physics as a subject. So here we have subject 1. And also we can create unique index. So suppose we wanted to create one unique index of the name. So here we have the name in ascending order, and also to make this unique we have to use unique as true. This will ensure that no two students will have the same name. So let's just execute this. So here is our new index. So this is the way we can add multiple indexes, and these are automatically used by the MongoDB query optimizer to improve the query performance. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.